Now, live streaming sounds complicated and technical, so in this video I want to show you how to use an amazing piece of live streaming software that's super simple to use and takes less than 5 minutes to set up. So let's dive into it. Hey, Matt Holmes here from V8 Video Academy, where I help business owners and entrepreneurs to build their business, brand and audience online with video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button, and links to everything I mentioned in this video will be linked up in the description below. Now, as you're watching this video, you're probably aware of just how powerful live streaming and live video can be for your business, but maybe you just don't know where to start with it, the kit and the technical jargon that goes along with it. So in this video, I want to show you how you can get started live streaming today with nothing more than your MacBook or your iMac computer and a fantastic piece of software called eCamm Live. Now, eCamm Live isn't a free piece of software. It does cost around $80 at the time of recording this video, but they do offer a free 7-day trial. So to get started with eCamm Live, head on over to eCamm.com, that's cam with 2 M's, and from the homepage there you'll be able to download your free 7-day trial. Now, this is exactly what I did. I downloaded a free 7-day trial, I dove into the software, I tried it out, I experimented with it, I loved it, so I went ahead and bought the full $80 version of it. So let's now head on over to the computer and we'll jump into eCamm Live. Now, when you first open up eCamm Live, you're going to see a number of windows here. Now, the main one in the middle is going to be the content that's streamed when you go live. But you can switch this from the webcam that you've got built into your computer, which is set by default, or if you want to have an external webcam plugged in, you can do that. Or you could even have a DSLR camera plugged in via HDMI and you can select that instead. Alternatively, you can share your desktop, whatever's on your screen, your desktop screen, by clicking this middle computer icon here, or you can even play a pre-recorded video or a video file that's stored on your computer by clicking this button here. Now, because I really don't like this webcam and it's rubbish quality, I'm just going to click on this video file here and we'll just select this video here that I played previously. So as you can see, this is just one that I created a few weeks ago for my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to leave that for now because I really don't like the webcam built into the iMac here. Now, eCamm Live also has a feature where you can actually live stream your Skype calls. So that could be a video conference type call with a split screen. You could stream that via eCamm Live. You will need an additional piece of software for this called Call Recorder for Skype, but this is bundled in with your eCamm Live purchase and it comes in the same download file that you get when you purchase eCamm Live. So let's now quickly go through the other options on the eCamm Live dashboard here. So the first window is the overlays window. Now, this is exactly as it sounds. These overlays are assets that you overlay on top of your main visuals, such as your camera or your desktop. You can overlay things like images, other videos, text, and even countdown timers. So let's say I wanted to add a countdown timer to my live stream here. I just click on this little icon here, the 3, 2, 1 with the plus next to it. And that will bring up a box here with a countdown timer. And you just select your end time here and end date. And then you can choose the font type that you want here and the size. And then you can change things like the color and the opacity of it as well. And when you're happy with all that, all you need to do is press add, and that's going to add the countdown timer here, and we can even drag it up here. We can make that bigger, we can position it wherever we want on the screen. And if you want to turn that off, all you need to do is click the eye icon here, and that's going to make it disappear. But then if you want it back on again, just tap the eye icon again and back it comes. Now, the next window is the scenes window. Now, scenes are like presets that allow you to quickly and easily switch between different sources with text overlays, image overlays, or video overlays. So essentially you pre-build these scenes and can then switch between them whilst you're live using your mouse to click on them, or you can use keyboard shortcuts, which is a great feature. So the next window down is the sound levels window. Now, this just allows you to adjust the volume of the audio you're pushing out via your live stream. So the main microphone here is the Blue Yeti stereo microphone that I'm using to record this video. And I can just drag this slider left or right to adjust the volume of it. And Movie just allows you to adjust the volume of any videos that you're playing out on your live stream. And it works in the same way, just dragging the slider left and right. And then finally, there's the comments and reactions window over on the right hand side here. This is where any comments from Periscope, Facebook or YouTube or any other platforms you're streaming to with eCamm Live will appear. Now heading back to the main live streaming window in the middle here, as I mentioned earlier, we've got the different options here of your webcam or any camera that you've got plugged in, sharing your desktop and sharing a video file, a pre-recorded video. You can actually switch between these during your live stream. So if you wanted to, let's say, start on your webcam and then share your desktop and then play a quick video and then jump back to your desktop and jump back to your webcam to finish off your live stream, you can do that just by clicking these little icons at the top here. So that's a whistle-stop tour of the eCamm Live dashboard. Now let's look at actually getting your stream set up. So in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, you're going to see an option called Destination. And mine currently says Facebook, but if you click on this, you can actually choose from a number of different options here, such as Periscope, Twitch and YouTube. And then there's some other ones down here, such as Restream.io and Switchboard Live. But for now, let's choose YouTube. And you'll see in the middle here, we've got a blue button, which is asking you to log in. So let's click on Login. And it's going to bring up a window for us to log into our Google account, which is the same as our YouTube account. So I'll quickly log in here. Okay, so that's me logged in, and now it's just asking me if I'm happy for eCamm Live to know who I am in Google, view my email address and manage my YouTube account. So just hit allow on that. And there we go, we're all logged in and set up with eCamm Live. So we'll just hit the get started button here. Don't worry, that's not going to make you go live. We've got another button down here to go live. So next time you come into eCamm Live, you won't have to log into YouTube again. It will just keep you logged in all the time unless you come up to eCamm Live menu at the top here and click on log out of YouTube. But you can just leave that logged in for now. So with YouTube, you can choose to have your broadcast go public, or you can have it unlisted or private. So to do that, come back into the bottom right hand corner of your screen again, and you'll see broadcast 2 here is set to public. If we click on public, we can actually choose unlisted or private. You can also choose whether to go live now, or you can actually schedule a new live stream. So if you wanted to schedule one, you can just click on new scheduled live here, and it's going to bring up a box to schedule your start time, write a title and a description, and whether you want your live stream to be public, unlisted or private. Then you just press schedule and you're good to go. But we'll cancel this for now. So assuming that you're going to be going live now or in the next few minutes, you'll want to add a title and a description to your live stream. So to do that, just come down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen here, and you can just type in whatever the title of your live stream is going to be. I'll just put in this for now. And then you can write a description for your live stream. So I'll just type in some random words for now, or letters. So that's it, you're ready to go. All you need to do now is prepare yourself and what you're going to say, get comfortable, and then you'll just need to hit the go live button here. It will take a few seconds just to get up and running, and then you're going to be live. So now I just want to run through with you a few different options that you've got inside eCamm Live. So we'll head up to the top menu at the top of your screen. So first let's head to the options menu here. So under options, you'll see various different settings that you can change. So let's first head on over to the stream size option here. And this is where you can choose the quality of the video that's actually live streamed. Now, if you've got a super duper fast internet connection, then you can select the high quality here, which is a full HD stream at 1080p. If you've got a pretty good internet connection, but it's not great, then I'd say choose the standard format here. And if you've got a really bad internet connection, then you want to select low. If you select a stream size that's too much for your internet connection, your live stream is actually just going to drop out completely. So just bear in mind that even for the low quality stream size option here, you'll still need an internet connection with an upload speed, not a download, an upload speed of at least 2 megabits per second. And for a standard stream size, 720p, you'll need an internet connection with an upload speed of at least 4 megabits per second. So the next option down is stream aspect, and I suggest you just leave it at wide, the 16:9, which is the default, as that's what we're used to seeing day to day on TV and online. And the rest of the settings in here I just leave as the default. And one of the cool things about eCamm Live is that it will automatically record a recording of your live stream. But you can turn this on and off, so all you need to do is head on over to the recording option here and you just untick the record all broadcast option here. Now in this menu as well, you can actually choose where you want your recordings to be saved. So you just click on the choose recordings folder and choose where you want to save the recordings on your computer. So there you have it. That's just how simple and easy it is to start live streaming from your iMac or MacBook computer with eCamm Live. Now I've got to say that the eCamm Live support is fantastic. Now when I was first setting up eCamm Live for a multi-camera shoot I was doing, I was having a few technical difficulties, so I got in touch with the support team at eCamm Live and their support was fantastic. They were really helpful, they were friendly, they were quick to get back to me, and they answered a lot of my technical questions. So if you do run into any issues with eCamm Live, the eCamm Live support team will be more than happy to help. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments about eCamm Live or live streaming in general, make sure you put them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.